morning, class 4 students. I hope you all are good and doing your work properly, and also your vivas are going on. So all the best for the vivas and the revision tests too. So I'm here for the completion of the chapter number 19, which we were doing before, that was paying for travel. So today we will be starting with the book work. It's book work and yes, notebook work is pending, so we will be completing in this week. Okay, so we are starting today with the today we are starting with the chapter number 19, paying for travel. So yes, everyone, open your book and chapter number paying for travel. Students, open page number 93 of your book. Page number 93 of your book, please open. There are two fill-ups given. So firstly we will be doing that. Okay, so the first fill-up is given here. Money that is made of paper is called dash. The money that is made of paper, जो मनी पेपर से बनती है, that money is known as dash. उसको कौन सी मनी कहते हैं? That is known as paper money. That is known as paper money. Money that is made of paper is known as paper money. Clear? So do this the first blank. Then second is the currency of India is dash. So what is the currency of India? You all know about it. Currency of India is the rupee. Currency of India is the rupee. R-U-P-E-E, rupee. Currency of India is the rupee. And also in the bracket we will be writing, yes, in the bracket we will be writing the symbol of the rupee is this. Okay. So yes, these were two fill-ups. After that, open page number 94. On this page, some match the followings are given. So we will be doing this. Okay, so first match is given Ashoka pillar. Here it is given Ashoka pillar. Second it is given Mahatma Gandhi. And the third one it is given Satyamev Jayate. Okay, so on the right hand side it is given, first is given truth alone triumphs. And second it is given here, father of the nation. Father of the nation. And third it is given Sarnath. So yes, we will be doing the match. So firstly the Ashoka pillar. Ashoka pillar, where we find it? Ashoka pillar कहाँ होता है? Ashoka pillar is in Sarnath. So वहाँ से symbol लिया गया, that is the national emblem का symbol from Ashoka pillar. It is in Sarnath. So we will be matching first one with the C. Then second is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation. महात्मा गांधी को क्या बोलते थे? फादर ऑफ द नेशन. सो इसको हम सेम सेकंड को सेकंड से ही मैच करेंगे. देन थर्ड वन इज सत्यमेव जयते. सत्यमेव जयते इज like it means truth alone triumphs. It means truth alone triumphs. So we will be matching this with the first one. Like third will match with the A part, triumphs. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. After that, on page number 95 that we have done, हमने जो कंट्री के करेंसीज के नोट थे, हमने कंट्री के नेम वहाँ लिख दिए थे. And 95 पेज नंबर is are done. Now move on to the next page number 96. Everyone open page number 96 now. Open page number 96. Okay. So yes, on this page, section number A given. Firstly, practice exercise section number A given. MCQs are given. So the first MCQ is the Reserve Bank of India has the sole authority to issue dash notes. So the Reserve Bank of India के पास ऐसी कौन सी अथॉरिटी होती है, क्या कौन सी करेंसी के मींस व्हाट दे कैन इशू, लाइक तो हमारे इंडिया की करेंसी के नोट्स हैं वो कौन इशू करता है. It is done with its authority is having Reserve Bank of India के पास होती है. So here we will be writing currency. That is option number B, currency. Okay, option number B is correct. That is currency. Then second MCQ is given here. To buy tickets to travel, we need to pay. What do we need to pay? अगर हमें कहीं travel करना है, so what do we pay for that? We have to pay money for that. So option number A is correct. That is money. We have to pay money for that. Then fill-ups are given. So the first fill-up is given. We need, just a moment. Yes, so here first fill-up is given on page number 96. That is, we need to buy dash for our travel. हमें क्या परचेज करना पड़ता है? If you want to travel on plane, if you want to travel on bus, if you want to travel on train, so what do we have to buy? We have to buy tickets. By paying the money, हमें क्या मिलेगी? Tickets मिलेंगी. Okay, we have to buy tickets. Then next is the dash has the sole right to mint coins. So the dash has the sole right to mint coins. It like who has the right to solve the mint coins? So the dash has the sole right to mint coins. The government has sole right to mint coins. So कौन करता है ये काम? That is the work of a government. Only government can has sole right to mint the coins. Okay, understand about it. The government has the sole right to mint coins. Okay, so fill in the blanks are done. Now practice exercise B. Exercise section number B. Again 2 MCQs are given. First MCQ is here. So first MCQ is given here. Coins are made of. Coins किससे बने होते हैं? So coins are made of metal. Coins are made of metal. So C option is correct. That is metal. Coins metal से बनते हैं और जो paper money होती है that is made up of with the paper. Then next is rupee is the currency of dash. Rupee कहाँ की currency है? Rupee is the currency of dash. Yes, so नेपाल भी हमारे इंडिया में ही है. USA options are given. First option is given USA, UK and Nepal. Now USA, UK are the other countries and जो नेपाल है वो हमारे इंडिया में ही है. नेपाल. So Nepal is having the same currency, that is rupee. So option number C is correct. That is Nepal. Option number C is correct, that is Nepal. So yes students, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching.